Good evening, guys. Welcome back to a post-market report from Financial Independence channel. So let's look at what happened to the market today. What's the trade setup for tomorrow? So currently, HSS Nifty is 35 points higher, Dow Jones 150 points higher, Nasdaq 69 points down. So coming to Indian market today, Nifty again followed the same pattern which it followed on Friday. This is the day chart. Let me get into the lower time frame chart, 15 minutes chart. So this is on Friday. This is on Monday. So exactly it replicated the same pattern which followed on Friday. So it opened around 70,900, 930 levels. A profit booking came, it took support around 70,800 levels. Again, it made a high close to 70,890 levels, and again a profit booking came, a fall came, again took support around 70,800 levels. So currently, as of now, 70,800 is acting as a very good support. Let's look at the option chain also. So 17,800 is having 88,512 contracts as of now. So below that, the next support is at 17,500, which is having 77,901 contracts. So 70,000 is acting as a huge support as of now. So currently, HSS Nifty, our Nifty close to 70,855. You can see 17,850 is having 36,477 contracts. 70,850 in put side is also having the almost the same number of contracts here. So the next resistance is at 70,900, which is having 1,03,140 contracts, and 18,000 is having 1,43,207 contracts. So market will be in a range between 70,800 to 18,000 as of now. So anything breaking this, so if it sustains above 18,000, then 18,100, 18,200, and definitely 18,500 will not be a matter of time. It is just a, I mean, like another 500, 600 points. It's just a matter of time. It may clear anytime. But since considering this as a monthly expiry, any side it may shoot up. The rollover is have started happening from today. So as of now, 70,800 is acting as a support. So as I gave the view on Saturdays, I mean like for the weekend video, anything below this 70,700, 70,500, 70,400 is the supports. Anything below 70,400 should be considered as a correction. But sustaining 70,400, it should be considered as a buying opportunity only. So anything, if it falls close to 70,400, it should be considered as a buying opportunity. Then market again will shoot up again close to 18,000, 18,500 will come. So I am expecting market should again shoot up on the upside because it is consolidating in a way it should shoot up around 18,000, 18,200 levels before this expiry. So coming to Bank Nifty again today, let's see. So it closed above the Friday's close. It closed above the Friday's close. Let's look at the lower time frame. So I gave a view on I gave a view on HDFC Bank on Friday that sustaining above 16,600, it may shoot up again. So it closed around 1,603 on Friday. Today it shot up almost 1.5 percentage on the upside. So 25 points up, and you can see Bank Nifty again in the morning only it shoot up from after a gap up opening of around 200 plus points. Again it shot up close to 38,350 levels, and then yeah, small profit booking came, but 38,000 was acting as a very good support as of now. So until unless it sustains 17,800, sorry, that is 38,000 levels, market will try to push it again on the upside only. So it is in the price action as of now. Anything close to these levels, again it is taking support. So let's look at the option chain where the support is. Let's get into Bank Nifty. Thirty-eight thousand, 38,000. closed at 38,171, which is close to 38,200. So 38,200 is having 37,569 contracts, and 38,000 on the put side is having 27,707 contracts. 38,300 is having 38,959 contracts. So 38,500 is having the next highest resistance, and 38,000 is having highest support, which is like 57,237 contracts. What I'm expecting is market or Bank Nifty should shoot up again close to 38,500 levels. Let's look at the option chain again. So call unwinding has happened in 37,800, 900, 38,000 levels. So it is in a fear that market may, like Bank Nifty may shoot up on the upside. So sustaining above 38,100 levels, I gave a view on our group. Sustaining above 38,100 levels, anytime it may shoot close to 39,000, 39,500 and above in the coming weeks. So this is the view for Bank Nifty. So any fall close to these levels or to the next level on Friday, which is Friday's close, that should be considered as a buying opportunity only. So HDFC Bank today short 25 points up. ICC Bank 730. You can see it is almost again close to the previous levels. Once it breaks out, again it will start close moving to 742 levels. State Bank took support around these levels. Sorry, so took support around these levels. Again, it is consolidating here. Anytime it may start moving close to 473 levels. Kotak Bank, a small consolidation is going on here. Bajaj Finance, a huge fall today, almost 2.5 percentage fall today. You can see it made a evening star pattern. Axis Bank, IndusInd Bank, both are close to 1% down. Coming to Nifty IT today, huge profit booking in Nifty IT. Let's look at. So almost Nifty 80, 1,068 points, close to 3% downfall today. So as you all know, it was in a complete bull run. Now there should be some cool off should happen. That is what happening as of now. It is actually a good to accumulate at these levels. TCS, you can see Infi 2% down, and Mindtree 5.5% down today after a notorious run continuously. It has fallen for almost close to 250 points down now. So as you all know, both Bank Nifty and Nifty will not perform simultaneously at the same time. So Bank Nifty started performing after which was underperforming for a long time. So now it is time for Nifty to have some profit bookings. So please use this opportunity to buy in small quantities in Nifty IT, so that once Bank Nifty starts profit booking, then Nifty IT again will shoot up on the upside. Metal started performing today. Nifty IT was the poor performer. So coming to the, high volume stocks, again today, for tomorrow, the stocks are HDFC Bank, HDFC Bank, a small consolidation is happening, which is almost close to a, I think it's not getting loaded. So let's look at the 15 minutes time frame chart only. You can see it is like a flag pattern and a small consolidation is happening here. I'm expecting that should again shoot up on the upside. Next is okay, Canfin Homes. You can see it made a it made a breakout and then again a small consolidation is happening here. So these have been closed with good volumes today. Can Fin Homes, and today the star performer was Maruti. You can see it closed almost 6.4 percentage up today. I had given my views for both Nifty, Auto, and also for Maruti in our group. Please have a check on that. I'm expecting close to 8,200 in another 4 to 8 weeks time frame. And Nifty Auto in a time frame, I mean like in 6 months to 1 year, it should get closer to 14,000 levels. Currently, it is at it is at 10,700 levels. I'm expecting that should that should cross that should cross 10,000 sorry 14,000 levels in the near future. It is getting time to load. It's okay. So the next stock will be Indian Hotels. Indian Hotels, we gave this view at 150 levels, which was when it was close to the breakout. Now it has closed above. It is closed at 200. Sorry, the connectivity is a bit slow, and you can see Indian Hotels. We captured around 150 levels today. It made a high of almost 187. Sorry, I think this is showing in. Yes, it closed around 189. It made a high of 200, and now what 189. So the next stock will be. Please keep this stocks in radar. Even for tomorrow, the next stock will be PVR. PVR we captured around 1,375 levels. Now currently at 1,660, and today it is 1,558 levels. So the next stock will be Mahindra and Mahindra. You can see today it made almost a 4% upside. So sustaining above 800, 820 levels, it should move close to another 100 points on the upside. So the next stock will be Ashok Leyland. You can see Ashok Leyland. It closed at 130. I'm expecting these should come close to 140 levels. So the next stock will be Can Fin Homes. So okay, we saw that. The next will be SBI. You can see it made a fall, but it is like a Harami pattern, bullish Harami pattern. I'm expecting this should get close to 470 levels in the coming weeks. So these are all the stocks for tomorrow, which is having a good number of like uh, delivery quantity and also the open interest in the scripts. So other than that, in we can see some future open interest in Astral. It is taking support around 50 days moving average. The next one will be AU Small Finance. Metropolis. It took support around 200 days moving average. I'm expecting this should blast on the upside. Once it gets into the trend line, then again it will again shoot up on the upside. The next will be Metropolis. It is very close to the 50 days moving average. I'm expecting that should take support around these levels. PC. Sorry guys, the connectivity is a bit poor, so I'm facing this issue. So these are all the stocks for the tomorrow. I mean, like for the next day, and also for the coming weeks. Please keep this in radar. And uh, let's look at the FAE data. So FAE today sold for 594 crores, but DE had bought for 1,400 crores today. So that's all guys. That's all for today. And let's wait for the tomorrow's data. So please note that market is in a sectoral rotation is happening, and each and every sector is being focused as of now. So large caps are outperforming both mid caps and small caps as of now, and this should continue for a while because Nifty is in a continuous bull rally, and any fall towards its support zones should be considered as a buying opportunity only. Thanks, guys. I hope this information is useful to you, and and please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Good night. Bye.